What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. As per usual, y'all know I don't need to say this, but on Wednesdays, we wear. Anyway, welcome back to News for You with me, Tracy. On tonight's agenda, we are getting into Uganda's health sector blooming. We're also talking about Mao versus the NRM. And we're giving you campaign trail updates. And 50 Cent has delivered something, just like a blow to P. Diddy's belly. All of that and so much more coming up tonight. Stay tuned. Uganda's health sector is seeing major improvements as the Ministry of Health rolls out reforms to fix long-standing problems like weak emergency services and limited specialized care. Now, officials say that the new investments in hospitals, blood banks, laboratories, and vaccination programs are helping transform service delivery across the country. Amazing stuff. Emergency medical coverage has grown from 6% to 64%, supported by more than 450 ambulances, at least one for each district. Now, village health teams have also been trained to better support rural communities. Uganda now produces 60,000 liters of oxygen and vaccinates against 14 deadly diseases, steps officials say are strengthening the health system. However, challenges do still remain, including understaffing, low pay for the health workers, and shortages of essential medicines. Officials note that while the progress is clear, more work is still to be done to ensure that all Ugandans receive quality healthcare. We still have a way to go, but the progress is very much encouraging. Emergency medical coverage from 6% to 64%. That is a big jump, and I hope that it only gets better from here on out. DP President Norbert Mao has issued a sharp warning to the NRM, accusing the party of launching small wars aimed at frustrating his candidacy and that of other DP members in the Acholi region. Now, while kicking off his campaign in the Laroo constituency, he said that his mission is to ensure that Acholi chooses capable and accountable leaders, not those imposed by political forces. He reminded the NRM of the political sacrifices he made in recent years in support of President Museveni, saying that it's disappointing to see the same party now working against him. Mao appealed to voters to remain focused and to defend their democratic choices and reject intimidation, insisting that Acholi deserves leaders that are chosen by the people and not political maneuvers. Let's wait and see how this plays out. Time for an update on the campaign trails. Now, President Museveni, the NRM presidential flag bearer, campaigned in Ruchiga and Kabale, where residents asked for better roads, improved health services, and a vocational institute. President Museveni urged the communities to now focus on wealth creation and clear priorities. Now, moving on, in Busoga, FDC candidate Nathan Nandala Mafabi urged residents to stop supporting the NRM, accusing it of keeping the region poor for 40 years. He pledged to revive the Busoga Growers Cooperative and introduce a new cash crop to replace sugarcane. Now, ANT candidate Gregory Mugisha Muntu was campaigning in Bugisu and cautioned voters against idolizing President Museveni, saying that Uganda's stagnation comes from elevating individuals over institutions. He urged citizens to choose value-based leadership. Now, NUP's Robert Chagulanyi sent Tamu toward Mukono, promising to address unemployment, improve education, and fix the health sector. Now, in Sebe, where NPP candidate Robert Kasibante campaigned in Kapchorwa, Queen, and Bukwo, he focused on improving coffee farming, boosting sports talent, as well as promoting tourism. Now, for today, President Museveni is in Rukunjiri and Kanungu. Nandala Mafabi from FDC is in Ginger City and Mayuge. ANT's Mugisha Muntu is in Mbale and Butaleja, and Robert Chagulanyi is in Buikwe. Mubarak Munyagwa is in Gomba and Butambala, and Robert Kasibante is in Kitgum and Lamu. Now, please do tune in to NBS Live at 9 for more of these campaign trail updates. A new 4-part documentary is casting fresh scrutiny on the rise and fall of music mogul Sean Diddy Combs. Now, this is produced by 50 Cent. Can I just say, 50 Cent is the ultimate hater. Ultimate hater. Whoa. So now, Curtis Jackson, 50 Cent, has produced this, directed by Alexandria Stapleton. So it's called Sean Combs: The Reckoning, and it examines his rapid ascent in the music industry and the darker allegations that later overshadowed his success. Guys, I'm not gonna say much, but 50 Cent posted on his Instagram with the caption, "They thought I was capping. What happened?" So now Combs, who did help to shape the hip-hop industry through Bad Boy Entertainment and launched stars like the Notorious B.I.G. and Mary J. Blige, is now serving a federal prison sentence after being convicted in July on charges related to transporting individuals for prostitution. He is now appealing the ruling. Now, the documentary features interviews from former associates, employees, and artists, many of whom detailed troubling behavior that gained public attention after Cassie Ventura's 2023 lawsuit. Stapleton says that the film challenges society to reflect on celebrity idolization and accountability. Honestly, guys, we watch these people, we listen to their music, but we don't actually know what kind of things they're dabbling into. We don't know what they're putting in their music to make it sound so good. We don't know what they're putting in their shows and movies to make us stuck to them. There's a lot of things that happen behind the closed doors. Do not let things be hidden in plain sight to you. Thanks. And that is a wrap for tonight, guys. As always, please do leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Bye!